Okay, so it is not August anymore. It's definitely later in the season. And I was, we were driving up here trying to think about, like, we've worked so hard, like over even last season, but this season especially, of getting this property ready. Everyone from the guys behind the machines to behind the camera to the conversations me and Pat have, and like, just amazing how much work goes into a property like this, all for kind of this moment. So this zone this year changed. It went to 2 deer, which is like really solid. It means I can get a doe, through the bow, tag one out early, get that kind of itch scratched, and then still have time to, try and taste a mature deer. So that's why we're here today. It's middle of October. We got a cold front. There's does moving in on the field almost every day. We're hunting out of the muddy, which is why I'm in a hoodie. So that should be cool. And yeah, let's go freaking try and kill a doe. I don't even think I need to shoot a third, so it's getting late. We should get in stand. Check this out. So it tells us out of the last month, like what time of day is like the most pictures have been taken. Now we got like, I don't know, 7 or 8 cameras out here. 76 pictures at 4 o'clock. So between 4 and 5 in the last month is when the most animals are on this field. So the stand that I hunted last year and that I took an animal out here last year was like 5-6 yards this way, just into the woods a little bit. So all my yardages and like all the things in the field that I had mapped out, they're all off by like 5 or 6 yards. So it's one of those things that like sounds silly, but when you don't, I don't know, I haven't taken that. I feel like I've taken maybe 7 or 8 animals with a bow. I'm not like Pat, where he just like, oh, I got it disciplined. He has his routine. Like a doe walks out, I'm still gonna be like excited about it. So gotta make sure that my yardages are good. I'm thinking about what I'm doing. I'm breathing. Like that's the whole point of this whole early season doe stuff, or like early doe tag, is just get deer through the system, get deer in front of you, get comfortable. And I, for one, don't have the experience to like just take that for granted yet, so I'm still training, so to speak. I think it's a good shot. Last thing you want to do, obviously, is go after it too early and spook it up, and yeah, we don't want to chase it around the woods for the next, foreseeable 48 hours if it wasn't a good shot. But go find the arrow. We'll go try and find a blood trail. And with any luck, it should be 20 yards into the woods, just sitting there waiting for us. So. Saw that luminox light up right away, but then, yeah. Oh, we got rod heads together. We got blood. Kick a leaf up, just soaked in blood. So she definitely came further this way than I thought. I would just follow it now. That's, knock on wood, she's 20, 30 yards this way. I mean, yeah, good news and bad news. Good news is that you got a trail, you know where your animal is. Second news is you don't have your animal in your hands. We're gonna give her the evening. It's like 32 degrees out, low of 27. Meat's gonna be fine. There's not a lot of predators around here, anything like that. So yeah, we'll come back tomorrow, get the ranger, and go find her. Going into this season, the fact that the regulations changed, we're able to take 2 animals, it definitely changed the way we were going about hunting. Not having the pressure to only be able to take one, or worry, if you shoot a doe, you're not gonna be able to kill that buck. We didn't have a ridiculous amount of good mature animals around, and yeah, it's the rut, anything can happen, but the positive is that we had so many young bucks, and we had so many does taking advantage of our plot literally a week or 2 after we took that fence out. It shows you that there's a light at the end of the tunnel, and being able to take an animal that comes in exactly how it should, right at the watering hole, and didn't even know we were there. The watering hole that we dug a couple weeks back, like, that's just incredible. And it just shows you that the work we're putting in is paying off, and it might be next year, it might be 3 to 5 years from now, but we keep putting in this amount of effort and time, and the big deer are gonna show up, and we're gonna have a heck of a property by the time it's all said and done.